Мы консультировались с травматологом. Мы
means we or us, pronounced
ни.
It's the first person plural pronoun, referring to the speaker and at least one other person. It's grammatically the subject of the sentence.
Консультировались
Means we consulted or we have consulted. Pronounced
kən-sulʹ-tī-rə-vɑː-lɪsʹ.
It's the past tense, perfective aspect, plural form of the verb.
Консультироваться
Консультироваться, meaning to consult. The perfective aspect indicates a completed action.
s.
A preposition meaning with. Pronounced
s.
It indicates the person or entity with whom the action of consulting took place.
Травматологом
Means with an orthopedist or with a trauma surgeon. Pronounced
trəv-mə-tːlɔ-ɡəm.
It's the instrumental case singular masculine form of the noun.
Travmatolog
Travmatolog, meaning orthopedist or trauma surgeon. The instrumental case shows the instrument or agent used to perform the action. Consulting with whom? Putting it together.
Мы консультировались с травматологом. Двойной апостроф.
Means we consulted with an orthopedist. Or we have consulted with a trauma surgeon. Quote. It indicates a completed action of seeking medical advice from a specialist in orthopedic surgery or trauma care.